A journey millions of years in the making. Deep beneath the earth, nature forms its most precious masterpiece, natural diamonds. Expertly mined, carefully selected, precision cut for ultimate brilliance. A symphony of shapes. Each cut tells a story of beauty and light. A double magnification brilliance, our fusion of facet plates, Elora signature crown setting, and triangular diamond prong creates an optical enhancement, making your diamond appear twice as large. Set in exquisite 18-karat gold and diamond FEVS, a timeless foundation of luxury and durability. Discover your perfect diamond shape in our newest Elora Fancy Cut collection. Explore now. Express your shine.